Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Maverick R Intrusion bar kit for the OEM Cage. This kit fits the Can-Am Maverick R, all models. Install time is under 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself, but best with a friend. With a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by grabbing the DRT lower main intrusion bar, and set it into place by holding it in a slight angle, and sliding each side in between the OEM framework. Next, grab the driver's or passenger side vertical bar, and set it in place, as you see here, lining up these two holes, with the OEM frame mounting holes. Now, insert the two, supplied 15mm long bolts from the front side, and thread on the 17mm backing nuts and hardware, finger tight. Next, move down to the lower vertical bar mount, and line up the two pieces, and thread in the 6mm Allen bolt, finger tight at this time. Now, repeat these steps, for installing the other vertical bar. Next, starting with the two lower vertical mounts, tighten them down, while holding the bars tightly together. Now, go to the top vertical bar mounts, and tighten down these 4 bolts, as you see here. Next, let's set one of the side clamps in place, line up the holes, and thread in the supplied 4 5mm Allen bolts. Then, tighten down each one, a little bit at a time, to draw the clamp together equally, until nice and tight against the OEM frame. Now, repeat this step to the other side of the vehicle, and your install is complete. Congrats, that completes your DRT Maverick R Intrusion Bar Kit install. This Intrusion Bar Kit for the OEM Cage provides critical protection in an extremely stylish package. The Intrusion Bar greatly reduces the open area in the front of the passengers to provide protection from objects entering the cockpit. Much consideration was taken on the placement of the vertical intrusion bars to provide the most protection without obstructing the driver's view. Modular steel construction makes for an easy bolt-in installation, while adding substantial strength to this critical area of the OEM roll cage. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.